IAU Portal, Registration and Agreement. Welcome to the IAU Partner Portal tutorial. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to get started with our portal and complete your partnership agreement. Step 1. Email notification. You'll receive an email invitation from IAU at your provided email address. Click on the Accept Invitation button to get started. Step 2. Registration form page. You'll be redirected to the registration form. Here, enter your company details and set a password for future logins. Once submitted, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Step 3. Dashboard overview. From Dashboard, you can finalize your agreement with IAU, apply for students, and monitor their application status. Step 4. Agreement form navigation. To sign the agreement, click on the Agreement tab in the dashboard or sidebar. This will open the agreement form. Step 5. Filling out the agreement form. In the agreement form, enter your company name, owner details, point of contact, government-issued license number, and bank information. Don't forget to select your recruitment countries and set any territorial restrictions. In the recruitment goal field, enter the number of students you aim to recruit per session. Step 6. Submit agreement. Once all details are filled in, click Submit. You'll now see your agreement draft. Step 7. Finalizing the agreement. At the end of the draft, check the box to confirm you've read and agree with all sections. Then click the Agree button. Step 8. Confirmation and dashboard options. Congratulations! Your agreement with IAU is now complete. You can now view or download the agreement from your dashboard. Step 9. Dashboard access. You can return to your dashboard anytime by visiting the link apply.iauinternational.la. Simply enter your registered email address and password to log in. Step 10. Requesting a partnership certification. Once you complete your agreement, you can request a partnership certification from IAU. Simply click Certification on your dashboard. Then select Request Certificate. Once the certificate is issued, you can download it directly from this section. Step 11. WhatsApp Group Creation. After finalizing the agreement, we'll create a WhatsApp group with you as an admin. In this group, you can add your team members and reach out to us promptly for any kind of assistance. That's all. Thank you for partnering with IAU. We'll look forward to working together for the success of your students.